Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's discuss the index levels update for coming week. Along with that, I will discuss some important sector also, some other index also, which is very important to keep in your mind and those stocks in your watch list so that you can keep your watch on those stocks. So I will discuss those sector also. So stay connected till that and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular update of the index levels and stock in news. So let's start the video, and before starting the video I will mention that I have made one stock in news regarding the NTPC upcoming IPO of the NTPC. You can watch this video. I will give in I button also. I will give in the end screen also. You can watch that video, which is very important to know before the record date is coming. So please watch that video. So let's start the video with the important thing that as you all know I discussed in my last video, also that US Fed rate that so US Fed rate I discussed in last week, which was actually US Fed has cut the interest rate by 50 bps. I already discussed. So now what is going to happen means now Indian stock market experts are predicting that the RBI is also going to cut the rate in their upcoming MPC meeting, which is I think in October first or second week is actually scheduled. I will update the date in my next video, and I will discuss the news also. But abhi it is I think scheduled in second week of the October. So I guess 7 to 9 somewhere. So the stock market is expecting the RBI to cut the rate. It may happen this time or it may happen next time also in December meeting. Anytime that is RBI's decision, but people means the stock market experts are expecting the rate cuts. So this can be an important thing for the stock market. जो रन अप चल रहा है वो दैट आई विल डिस्कस इन चार्ट दैट यू कैन सी इन चार्ट द ऑल द फैक्ट्स बट because of that the market is looking very excited. So this was important to discuss that it is actually expecting as US Fed rate already cut the 50 bps in rate of interest rate. Now I will go to the chart. I am discussing what is happening since last week. You can pay your attention here. I have drawn this trend line. Even I kept drawing this trend line even my some last video also, and I have given the resistance level of 26,250. I will give the video in I button. You can check the resistance and support level also. Exactly I have 26,000 was on chart on that video only, but I was expecting this 26,250 resistance it will face in last week, and the same thing happened. The market has respected this level 26,250 and around 26,250 to 70. It has taken a resistance and started giving a small I will say small fall. So see, since last week. So in my last video, as I discussed this breakout, in my last video, you please check this. This breakout was clearly done in last video, and after this the 26,000 was on the chart, was looking very clearly on the chart which I discussed, and 26,000 is done in 1 2 3 4 even 5 days. Within 4 5 days the 26,000 the nifty 50 has touched, and even after 26,000 it has touched the 26,250 also. So you will see in last week almost every single day. I will say 1 2 3 4 and 5, every single day. Again Nifty 50 has touched its all time high every single day. Here also the new all time high, the new all time high, then again, and then again last day also the new all time. Even before breakout, it was also touching the testing this all time high. So I will say the Nifty 50 is not looking back, it's only going upward and giving a very good, means crazy, I will say crazy, crazy run up. See, and here still it is taken resistance, but I am not I'm not finding any reason why should it actually fall. But of course Nifty 50 will fall, as an EK it will go in a only one direction. It will definitely retest, or it will give some pullback, and all this will keep happening. But now I can, means I cannot see any reason why should it fall if any big news is not coming. As the market is, I just discussed that market is also expecting a rate, means interest rate cut. As since last many year the high interest rate regime was going on. Every time the RBI was increasing the interest rate. But this time we are, as the US Fed cut the rate, we are expecting from RBI to cut the rate also. So because of this, maybe the market is showing its excitement, and it's just going up and up and up. So this trend line was very important, as I keep drawing this trend line. And this is exactly taking a, you can see it is exactly taking a, support, we can say this 20 EMA of the Nifty 50. So this 20 EMA of the Nifty 50 also a good support, and this trend line support also. So for Nifty 50, I can see this, which is 25,600 to 650 around, which can be a 600, I can say, or 650. So this can be a very very good support if Nifty 50 is falling little bit, or giving some retest kind of thing. So if it is retesting or falling, it will definitely take a good support here, which is 25,650 around. And the resistance can be the same, where it has taken resistance which I discussed, 26,250. 26,250 is a resistance already Nifty 50 is facing. But after breaking this 26,250, it will go directly go to 26,400, which I have not drawn now because I am expecting to break this level first, and then definitely you can keep in your mind the level of 26,400, that I will give in the end of the video. So this can be a very good resistance for the Nifty 50, 26,400. So this trading area is very important for the trader, as they can see this range, which is Nifty 50 support 25,650 and resistance 26,400 after breaking 26,250. Okay, so that's why I'm taking both the resistance levels, so that you can keep in your mind the both the resistance is very important. And support, as I discussed, if it's falling, this can be a very good support, 25,650. But before that, this support is also very important, which is I can see 25,850 for the trader. I'm talking about this level because this is very immediate support for the Nifty 50, which is 25,850. So keep this support also in your mind, 25,850. And after 25,850, it will definitely immediately go to the 25,650. The 25,650 is the second level. So this fourth level was very important, I have discussed. Now let's go to the Nifty Bank chart. If you see Nifty Bank, I have here also drawn this trend line. In last week also I have shown this breakout which happened in last week only. Yes, and after that, see here the Nifty Bank is just going sideways, it is just consolidating. But yes, this breakout was very clear, and please see the video. I have shown this breakout, and this was very good example of the rounding bottom breakout. Okay, and this was making a very good rounding bottom, then given breakout, and then here after again went up, and here it was consolidating since 1 2 3 4 5 days. Yes, the fifth day it has shown a sharp fall here. It has shown a sharp fall in Nifty Bank, not in Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is comparatively very good, but Nifty Bank has given a sharp fall. But even still, I can't see Nifty Bank going beyond this level. Yes, because this is a very good support for the Nifty Bank, which is 53,300 around. Yes, 53,300, which is where it has given a breakout, can be a very immediate support for the Nifty Bank. After breaking this, of course, this level, this support on the chart, which is 52,700 around. Yes, this level 52,600, we can say, round figure we take, and 52,600 is a very good level after 650, we can say, अगर मैं exact बात करूँ तो 650 होगा, तो 52,650 can be a very good support level after breaking the 53,300 level. And the resistance, yes, it has again taken an all-time high on Thursday, which was 54,467 exact number. I will take this as a resistance. 44,470 can be a good resistance for the Nifty Bank, where it already has faced the resistance, and after breaking this, yes, it will go to 54,700 around, which I have not drawn till now, because if it's breaking, you can keep this level in your mind. 54,700 can be a very good resistance level for the Nifty Bank. But here it is little bit consolidating, and yes, here also it was showing very good sign. Here only I don't know what happened Friday it has given a sharp good fall, I can say, here. So Nifty, so Nifty Bank trading range can be support 53,300, and then 52,650, and resistance 54,470, and then 54,700 for the next week. So, all in all, it was a short picture of the stock market index. I will repeat again: the Nifty 50 levels, support 25,850, and then 25,650, and resistance 26,400 after breaking 26,250, and Nifty Bank support 53,300, and after breaking this level 52,650, and the resistance 54,700 after breaking the 54,470. So this was the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level for the coming week, and along with that, some important sector which I mentioned in the starting of the video, which is very important to notice, which is actually in my last video I have discussed two sector, which was actually the breakout was imminent in those sector, and that happened also, I think, in Nifty. Yes, Nifty or Nifty Auto I discussed, which was looking very good, and Nifty FMCG, which was very attractive. So both were actually supposed to give the breakout, or I guess Nifty FMCG has given breakout already. That both both the sector I have discussed in my last video, and this week I am looking for the Nifty Metal, which is looking very good. You can go through the chart and can see the chart once. There is also a imminent breakout. I can see it may happen next week or maybe next week, but Nifty Metal is actually looking very good. You can give your attention on this sector, and the stock related this sector like Nifty sorry, Tata Steel, and all the metal sector like Hindalco and Hind Copper and GSW Steel is also very good. And all these stock and sale, all these stock is looking very good, as Nifty Metal is actually on verge to give the breakout. I can see in next week, or it may be in next week. Means breakout is actually inevitable there. So Nifty Metal is also looking very good, as I already discussed this Nifty IT and Nifty Oil and Gas also on the means on the reversal, on the card of reversal. They are actually now starting giving a reversal, but still you have to keep your watch on this sector, because it's like jumping in it is not a good. You have to keep watch on these sectors. So if you have any question regarding any index or any stock or any stock market news, you can comment me in comment below in comment box, and you can DM me also on the Instagram and Twitter, and I is in my bio. Stock in news, I already made the video on NTPC and their NTPC Green Energy IPO. You should definitely go through that video so that you can come to know that when to invest, how to invest, and what all the information about the IPO and the NTPC stock and investment and fundamental and buying level. You can go through the video. I am giving the link in the end screen and giving in the I button. You can check the video. Definitely, it will help you. And yes, like and share also for the more reach, for the more people, and subscribe the channel for regular index updates and stock in news and stock market news. Signing off.